Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting your data, so back up now to iCloud or Finder. This prevents permanent loss. Once backed up, make sure Contact Sync is enabled in Settings. This lets changes propagate across devices. Then open the Contacts app and scan the list for obvious duplicates or empty entries. Tap an entry to view details. Make the first edits now. Fix misspellings, add missing phone types, and mark primary numbers. This immediate action reduces duplicate creation and simplifies the next steps. Once you've prepped, focus on consolidation. Find duplicates and use the link or merge option to combine records so you retain history and avoid fragmentation. You should edit fields thoughtfully, correct names, set work versus mobile labels, and move emails into one contact. Delete blank or junk entries to streamline searching. If one person has several numbers, consolidate them into one record with clear labels. This makes calling and messaging faster and prevents future duplicates from To finish, force a sync so every device reflects your cleaned list. Toggle contacts off then on in iCloud and decide whether to keep or replace local contacts. Usually keep if you backed up. Make sure the same Apple ID is signed in across devices and check any Gmail or Exchange accounts under Accounts and Passwords to enable Contact Sync. If something goes wrong, restore the backup you made earlier. This step ensures consistency and gives you a recovery path if data disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.